Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G45 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. Or obviously the other way around, because as you can see I've got the gestures applied, but still I can show you the full path of how to get into those sections. So let's enter the settings first of all, and now we have to scroll and find the section gestures. Here we've got the option system navigation, and obviously I've got the gestures set right now, but let me switch to the 3-button navigation. All I wanted to show you here is that you can simply enter the settings and customize the the buttons, because here you can change the button order, so you can reorder the back button and the recents. So yeah, I just wanted to show it to you. So to set the gestures, we have to simply tap on the gesture navigation. Obviously you can tap on see how it works if you'd like to go through the tutorial or demos. I don't want to do it. Moreover, I will explain everything in a second, how the gestures work. We can enter the settings also, and as you can see here we can customize the gestures. So first of all, this line at the very bottom of the screen, obviously it is displayed instead of the 3 buttons navigation. We can show it or hide it. I prefer to have it hidden, so let me just tap on this option. Here we've got also the back's gesture sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. You can just change it by using this switcher. As you can see here, we've got this bluish indicator of how the sensitivity will work. And basically it really depends on whether you will have a case on your phone or whether you're playing a specific sort of games, etc. So just do it after using the gestures for a while. And here you can also decide whether you wish to use the Google Assistant. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button in the 3-button navigation, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. And here we've got this arrow. So if you can see it, just release the finger, and as you can see, we just got back. And the same situation from the left side, it works the same. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, then simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So do something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time elongate it and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing, here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.